Hi, I'm Curtis Bottis and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel we cover a lot of topics with regards to forex, cryptocurrencies, shares and stocks. And in today's video I want to show you how I basically invest 8,000 Rand onto the platform EasyEquities. So EasyEquities is where you buy shares in South Africa basically. So I want to show you how I use 8,000 Rand to basically invest onto the platform EasyEquities. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to leave a like. And if you have any other questions with regards to not even stocks or with regards to what we're doing in today's video, make sure to comment it down below. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So honestly, I usually do this process offline, but I said let's make a video out of it and see how I basically invested. So I usually just do this and it literally takes me about 4 minutes to less than 4 minutes to basically invest, and I do this at least few times a month, I would say. But for today I'm just in it because basically I was about to do it. Let me say I'm gonna just make a video with regards to investing. So let's get into it. So firstly, you're gonna have to obviously deposit money into your account. I'm not gonna go over that. I've covered that a few times on the channel, so you can just check videos on how to basically go over the platform EasyEquities, which I have a whole playlist with regards to that. That include EasyEquities, the USD version, Easy Properties. So there's a lot of videos with regards to that. So I'm just gonna do it. For the 1,000 Rand, I'm gonna split it into two. I'm gonna invest into the USD, which is I'm gonna invest into Tesla, which is gonna be half of the 1,000 Rand. And I'm gonna invest the other half, 500 Rand, into the Sentex S&P like 40 top countries in South Africa, which is an ETF. So that's how I'm basically splitting the 1,000 Rand. So for half of it's going to the USD and half of it's going to the ZAR amount. So let's get right into that. So this is going to take me a few minutes to do. So first we're going to have to transfer our money, because when you deposit money into EasyEquities it goes to your ZAR. So we're going to have to transfer half of that into our USD. So let's do that quickly. So you can see there is at the menu there will be inter-account transfer and FX. You can just click that and it will take you to this pop-up. Here we'll see from which account you want to do it. We've covered this. Like I said, you can take from your ZAR and you're going to do this to your USD. So you can see available funds. I deposited one because I wanted the round number, which is $30 is about 480 to 450 Rand. So I want to take just a round number when I have it invest on the easy side. So let me just see. So if we look at $30, as you can see, it's about 470, but let's just make this to 480. Have it a round number because there's still going to be fees, as you can see. So you can see lease fees, let's make it 590 because there's going to be the side here. There we can go. So we finally transferring $30 to our account, and then we'll have 500 Rand left on our ZAR side. So we'll just do that. There will be just agree, and then we say transfer now. And there we go, transfer has been done, and now half of it's on the USD side. Okay, so once it's done, you'll just see it show, and now we're gonna do the basically ZAR first, and then we'll move on to USD. So let's just do that quickly. So we'll go back to our EasyEquities overview, and for like I said, I'm investing the 500 into an ETF. So on ZAR, you can see here's the Satrix own the market top 40. So this is the ETF I'm investing in today. So we'll just click on that. So you can see this ETF selling at, for one share it costs $70, buying at and this and last price. So you can see we have available funds is 510, so we'll just click the whole amount, 500. So fees will be around, okay, so I'll try to use the full amount so let not have leftover capital. So you can see 505, total amount is still 505, okay, so let's just say 508, so there's that fee price. So you can see it's equivalent to 545. Okay, so this does want to use the first fees a little bit less, I think at least. It's like 509. So equivalents to 5,945 cents, and we available have 510. So we'll just click on buy now. And there we go. We've half of the 1,000 Rand goes into the ETF, and now the leftover is gonna go to the USD. So let's just click on USD. So funds to invest, as it see, it hasn't been deposited yet in the account. Okay, so this might take a while, so which I'll just do offline, for example, because it might take up to an hour to transfer the money from that account. But for example, we'll just go back to the home screen, and you'll obviously click on Tesla because this is where half of the 1,000 that I'm investing goes to. So I'll just click on Tesla. And here we can see yes, because the US market is closed currently in South African time. Okay. Chose a bad time to record the video, but if I'm gonna do this later, so I was planning on doing this later. So once the USD market opens, I'll just click on, for example, the $30 here. and then it will show the shares we're getting and estimated cost. So the investment amount will be equal to 30.16, so that's why we had that extra 20 cents. So when the money comes, it's going to equivalent to 30 and 20 cents. So that's going to happen with investment cost, and then we'll just click on it's not recurring, our fund account since the money hasn't been here, and we'll just click similar to what we did with the ETF. We were just going to say buy. So that is how to invest, how I basically invest 8,000 into EasyEquities. This changes with regards to how the market fluctuates. So for example, it might be Tesla today, but I'm increasing my holdings in Tesla at least a few thousand rand. But I also have Microsoft, and then most of my portfolio is in South African shares and obviously now cryptocurrencies and so on. But I keep each month, it's try to invest more, save a little bit more instead of having a fixed deposit. It's good to diversify your portfolio, which is I invest a little bit each month into different shares. So that's how I use 8,000 rand on EasyEquities. So if you learned something or you saw how I use 8,000 rand, make sure to leave a like and make sure to comment. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm Curtis Watties. Peace out.